Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Now my last recipe, which was a chocolate peanut butter fat bomb, did so well. I said to myself, you know what, I gotta do another fat bomb. And in fact, you know what, I gotta be really honest guys, these are not fat bombs. I mean, well, technically they are fat bombs because they are filled with fat, but I would like to look at them in a different light now. Let's just look at them as mini desserts. I think that is the more appropriate thing to call them. Anyway, today we're going to be cooking up a delicious Nutella fat bomb. Or is it Nutella? I can never tell the correct pronunciation. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. Nutella or Nutella, whatever you want to call it, we're making fat bombs or mini desserts or mini Nutella fat bomb desserts. Anyway, let's go make them. So to make our fat bomb, we're going to start by taking 100 grams of cacao butter and microwaving it in bursts of 30 seconds. Now cacao butter takes a little more time than regular butter to melt, so this took me about 2 minutes to melt down to a complete liquid. Also, do you say cacao butter or is it cocoa butter or is it just cocoa butter? What do you call it? Let me know. Anyway, once the butter is melted, I'm going to take 100 grams of hazelnuts and put them in a pan and put that pan on the stove and then just slowly roast them. You can alternatively do this in an oven as well, like I did in the original Keto Nutella recipe. Anyway, keep an eye on your nuts, make sure they don't burn, and once they are nice and toasted, just transfer them into your food processor. Once you have done that, start to blitz your nuts in the food processor. And that just sounds so wrong. First you toast your nuts, then you blitz them. Anyway, you want to keep blitzing them till you get a nice hazelnut butter. Couple of times you will need to open up the lid, scrape down the sides and keep powering through. Keep checking your nuts and see if they're a nice buttery consistency or not. I can't even say that with a straight face. Anyway, once you have a nice nut butter, you add in your other ingredients, and I'm going to sweeten this with about 2 tablespoons of powdered erythritol. I'm also going to add in a whole tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, and I'm also going to add a pinch of salt, and once again start to blitz it. Now if you want a more chocolatey flavor, you can add more cocoa powder if you like. I felt I didn't need it. And then once that has blended well together, I'm going to add in the cacao butter which I had melted down. And then keep blitzing that. And you will have your fat bomb mixture ready. Then I'm just going to transfer this into the Pyrex dish, which makes pouring very easy. That's the only reason I really do this. Anyway, once that's done, I'm going to pour out my mixture into cupcake molds once again, and this is going to make 8 fat bombs of about 25 grams each. Once you have poured them out, then just put it in the fridge to chill, or in the freezer if you're in a hurry. And that's it. Your Nutella or Nutella fat bombs are ready. And oh yeah, those look delicious. And of course they will come out of those cupcake wrappers very easily. And your fat bombs are ready. Our Nutella fat bombs, or Nutella. Nutella. What's in the name any which way? Alright folks, so it's time to taste our Nutella fat bomb. Or is it Nutella? Who cares? Nobody cares. Just eat it. Oh man. Oh wow. This is the most dangerous bomb in the world, because you just won't stop eating it. Like it's so good, and you get that lovely hazelnut flavor. This is awesome guys. I'm digging it. I don't know about you, but I am. In fact guys, if you have a fat bomb recipe that you want me to check out, leave it in the comments below and I'll try it sometime. Anyway, for now I'm gonna go back and eat this and enjoy it, and I will see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Cheers and keep cooking. Mini me. Are you looking for Tom Jones? Because he's not here, you know. and I couldn't think of any other spoof song with the word fat bomb in it. But if you've got an idea, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, just watch one of our Headbanger kitchen recipe videos, and yeah, I'll just stand here till my 20 seconds gets over.